What's up guys, Matt here. Behind me is the Mark 5 Volkswagen Jetta. I have a very quick repair that I want to show you guys. Literally just a pipe clamp designed to hold the mid pipe to the first exhaust. So I'm gonna get this car up on the lift so we can take a look at why I actually need to repair it and then how to repair it. So let's get this thing up and get going. Alright, I have already taken this piece off. This is the piece that failed. This is the strap that connected here actually failed. I had said the studs failed, but that's not the case. It just rusted through. These bolts aren't really holding anything together anymore. So I got this brand new one. It's aftermarket. It's a little bit beefier than the OEM one. Hopefully it'll last a little bit longer. But this just goes to show you what 8 Wisconsin winters can do to a car. Alright, we're going underneath the car and we're going to follow the exhaust back from the downpipe to the mid pipe, and right here, unfortunately there's a exhaust tunnel support right in the way. So you can see I have that exhaust kind of propped up on that piece of wood, and the mid pipe and that exhaust are not connected. So that's what happened on the road. There's those two pipes again. Fortunately this lift doesn't allow great access to the middle of a car, but there it is. Basically, the mid pipe comes in, connects to this exhaust. These are two male pipes, which the sleeve will slide over one, and then half the sleeve will be on one side, half the sleeve on the other side. Then you tighten it down. But this is exactly what happened while we were driving. The straps on that clamp broke, and then the sleeve slid all the way back onto this one, so it was no longer on this guy, and this guy just fell down and was resting on here. As you can imagine, it was extremely loud. It was one of the worst vibrations I've ever felt in a car. A couple weeks prior to it actually just sliding off and the two pipes falling apart, I could hear the air indicative of an exhaust leak. But when I went down to look at it, nothing looked out of the ordinary. I thought maybe it was the flex pipe going, but this is a much easier job, so I'm thankful that it wasn't the flex pipe. So let's grab that new sleeve clamp and install it on this vehicle. So if you can tell, there's quite a big gap between these two pipes. So I'm gonna have to push the back side of the exhaust up this way. And so I'm just gonna use a clamp. There's a hanger right in front of the fuel tank, right back there, that I'm gonna use to move this whole exhaust to meet up with the mid pipe. Two ends of the mid pipe and the exhaust are now touching. And of course I wait until it's under the car to figure out what size it is. It's a 17. Alright, so there it is. Really easy repair. Was pretty worrisome when it happened on the road. It really sounded bad. Lots of vibration right underneath the center console, but luckily just a sleeve clamp, really not that big of a deal. It would have helped to have two people to do this, so one person could push the exhaust from the back so that those two pipes would mate up, but I figured out a way to do it with those clamps. Huge thanks to ECS Tuning for providing the products used in this video. As always, the links will be in the description below. If you do go through those links, buy something at ECS Tuning, I get a small kickback. Really helps the channel. So go check out those links. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like more content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.